Oh, hell no. You better call Nelmar. I'm in the south side of Chicago. I'll be taking care of this tree right here in front, and also that tree on the side. Also, I'll be trimming up all the trees in the backyard. Also, be trimming up this tree that's hanging over on the neighbor's property. Let's get to it. Got the pine tree cut up. They loading up all the branches and wood. Cut that tree down. Next, I'll be headed to the side of the house to cut down this tree that was growing up against the foundation. Now I got the crew loading up the tree. Got all the logs loaded. Now I'll be headed to the back of the house where I'll be trimming down all the lower branches that's touching the power lines. Got all the branches in the back trimmed up. Just trimmed the ones that was touching the roof and the neighbor's roof. Last but not least, I'll be taking care of this low-hanging branch that was hanging in the neighbor's property. You see it. Got the front pine tree cut down. Also got the tree that was growing up on the side of the house, cut and remove. Got the trees trimmed up in the back. Also the trees that was growing to the neighbor's side are on to the next.